Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook from the Food Zone. Going to bring my next recipe later on today or tomorrow. It's a tequila lime chicken with brown rice, with cilantro and lime. It's all made from 5 ingredients, and you usually can make it in 10 minutes. So see you soon, peace, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Hi, this is Dansoy back. So we're going to put this together. Like I said many times on my channel and on Facebook, that not everything is made from scratch. And you got to spend hours cooking everything original. You can buy a lot of quality products such as natural or organic and eat healthy and cook in less time. So why don't you find certain things that you like or your family likes and pick those and just put them together. Like, I'm a big fan of semi-homemade meals where you take products and you make new recipes and create new ideas for many people and yourself. So in today's recipe for this tequila chicken with lime and the rice with lime and cilantro, our theme is lime today. I'm only using a couple things. Like I'm going to use this avocado oil because it's really good high point of heat, and it doesn't change the flavor of your food. I got rice that you can microwave, which is really good quality. If you want, you can make your own rice on the stove, 20 minutes. That's up to you, or in a rice cooker. I got this S&F tequila lime sauce. You've seen it before on my channel. There are so many of those. I got the rancher grilled chicken. That's my go-to chicken. It's grilled and pre-cooked. I got a lime, and I got fresh cilantro. And we're going to use the pan, and we're going to put avocado oil in there, and we're going to throw some of that chicken in. It's not really required. The chicken's already pre-cooked. You could just lightly cook it in there, but I'm going to just throw a little bit of oil in there and get it a little warm, and then we'll throw in the tequila lime sauce. Alright, so like I said, we're going to throw in that avocado oil. We're going to put this pan on low, and we're going to add the chicken, the pre-cooked chicken. If you want, you could cook your own chicken. It's like I always say, this is your recipe for you and your family, so you can mix it up, change whatever you need to do. Alright, so our olive oil is like that. I mean, not olive oil, avocado oil. And the chicken comes in a bag like this, so you're going to just want to throw in the amount of chicken that you want. And usually these bags have enough chicken for 2 meals. So we're going to just throw the remaining of that chicken in there, and we're going to warm it, and then we're going to throw in the tequila lime sauce. Sorry, off on words today. Live recording, Dansoy. Alright, so we got that chicken in there on low. If you want, you can kick it up to medium. As soon as that gets to the temperature we want, we're going to add in this S&F tequila lime sauce. It's a really good product. They got many different varieties. I use it all the time. There's a good honey buffalo. There's ginger teriyaki, garlic teriyaki. There's many of them. And you can see, like, this chicken already has the grill marks on. So I was able to get these bags on sale the other day for like $4. So it's really cheap for already cooked chicken that's already grilled with the grill marks. So when this gets to a certain point, like I said, we're going to throw in that lime, and then we're going to microwave the rice, and we're going to get a mixing bowl and add cilantro and lime into that. And like I said, this is a 10-minute or less meal. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we're back. You can see how that avocado oil got into the chicken. To be honest with you, while you were gone, I added in some garlic and sea salt. And you know how this is. This is like live recorded, and most of my recipes have never been cooked before, so I'm cooking them with you. I like to try to experiment with new food and new ideas. So I ended up adding garlic and sea salt, like I said, and you could see how the color got into the already pre-cooked chicken. Now you're going to take that S&F sauce that I told you about, the tequila lime, and pour that in And just pour in as much as you want. Everyone's taste is different. And make sure your pan is on low. And just start working. You see that tequila lime sauce? You can tell that with this bottle, I've used it before. I've been actually tasting it before this recipe. So this is a really good product. It saves a lot of work you have to make the sauce. So that's why, like I said, with semi-homemade meals, you can find so many different sauces in the condiment aisle in every grocery store, and just take them and experiment with. I'm not right with everything, and I could be wrong, but I like to try different things and see what tastes good. But you could see how the lime, the tequila and the lime are in this chicken. So just keep continuing to work that. Now with my recipe, and you could substitute the rice, I'm going to put this rice in the microwave for 90 seconds. And I have my mixing bowl. We're going to add some fresh cilantro to that with like a half of a lime. And we're going to mix that in, and then we'll just plate it all up. Thanks for being a part of my channel and my Facebook. I love you, Facebook and YouTube. I love the YouTube community. Please like and share my page. I'm doing my best. Like I said, I'll bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we are back. There's your lime tequila chicken. And while you were gone, I took the chef knife and I chopped up some fresh cilantro, and I cut the lime in half. We're going to use this squeezer, and we're going to do our rice next. So you can see that our rice is there. I would prefer to use white rice, but I didn't have it, and I didn't have time to go to the store. So just throw some cilantro in there. And I know this is not the conventional long grain rice, but we're going to change it. So just throw that in there, and then you're going to want to mix it. Then after that, we'll add a half of a lime. Alright, so like I said, Facebook and YouTube, I put the lime in there and just mix. I mean, not the lime, I put the cilantro in there and just mix that up. Alright, so you can see that we mixed that. Now we have the lime in the thing. And we're going to squeeze half a lime in there. See how that juice is going in there? And like I said, you're going to want to get half a lime in there. And then when you're done, it's hard to hold the camera and cook at the same time. But I like to do this because you can get a first-person look. I want to get a camera stand. But I don't know, I like the first person look where you see right over top of what's going on. And of course you don't want to see my face. So just get that lime in there and just mix it up really good, and we'll just plate it next. And this is how you make a tequila lime meal with cilantro rice in less than 10 minutes. I really think you can make this in 6 or 8 minutes. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. That's how you make the tequila chicken with wild rice, cilantro rice. So that's a quick meal. This is your Monday upload. I will be bringing it to you soon. Thanks for taking this trip. I'll show you in a couple minutes how you can just put it in a rice bowl. I mean, make a rice bowl. So with this, you could make a rice bowl or just plate it. And you could add more ingredients if you have to cook for 3, 4, or 5. But this is how you can make that tequila chicken in like 6 or 8 minutes. But this is your Monday upload. And I'll be bringing hot dogs in the middle of the week. Like a cheese and this really good salsa hot dog mixed together. But I'm not sure of the combo. I'll have to see. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. Here's the alternative version. You can make a chicken and rice bowl out of tequila chicken. So it's all up to you. Do whatever's right for you. If you want to make more of this, you can plate it and you can make rice bowls. But that's the beauty about cooking and being an individual and unique. Tailor everything to your likes. So this is your Monday upload. I will see you on Wednesday and Friday like normal if everything stays good. Maybe some bonus updates during the week. Like I told you, I'll bring you that 1 or 2 hot dog recipe. And I have a couple other ideas that I want to try. So I'm not really sure of the events, what day would be what. But I'll definitely be bringing 1 or 2 hot dog recipes this week. So see you soon. Peace out, Dansoy. Monday. Miss you. Talk soon.